In Kotlin, we don't necessarily have to specify the type like in Java for our variables. We instead have things like mutable and immutable variables. What I mean by that is if you create a variable, val is something that's immutable. So you can't change the variable within that. So if we put name equals Ted, and we try and change that name to Bob, for example, we'll get an error saying that val cannot be reassigned. This is what I mean by immutable. Val cannot change its entire object or value, but var can. Var is immutable, so if we change val to var, we're able to now change the variable. We can also specify its type. So let's say you have a whole bunch of variables and you aren't sure what they are exactly. You could always change the type. You can always specify the type. So to do that, we just put a colon and then put string, for example, or we can change this to a integer, and we get this little squiggly line, and we can change the name to an int. So specifying its type is optional.